What is going on YouTube? Investor Donovan here giving you another video. Today's video I'm going to be talking about retiring at the age of 30. Why not 50? Why not 60? I'll get to it, but first you have to hit the like button and subscribe. Today's video is going to be brought to you by some wine. Just picked it up last night. It's pretty good. Is that Franzia? I don't know. Don't care. But it's really good. You should pick it up if you like red wine. Cheers. Oh yeah, hits the spot. So today's video we're going to be talking about retiring at the age of 30, or somewhere between like 30 and 45. So the other day I was talking to my grandma. My grandma came over. She was talking to me. She said, "Donovan, I read this book. I don't recall the name of the book. She will be sending it to me though. And in this book, it talks about why you should try to retire when you're 30. Because, for example, my grandma was telling me that by the time you're 60 or you're getting to that age for retirement, health issues are in the way. I think that's a big factor, because you could die before then. Your health can get in the way. I mean, there's nothing more that bothers me than thinking about people who try to retire and they can't because they're stuck in a wheelchair now. You know what I mean? So in this book, it talked about trying to retire at the age of 30. Now, some people that may not happen. You know, it's just unrealistic. But you can take certain steps to actually make that happen. And I'm only 21 right now. I'm not even 22 yet. And I was really thinking about it. And I think that it's a really good idea, but how am I going to make it happen, right? So I did some research. I was looking around. I was, watching some videos on how to be successful, right? And a couple things that came across my mind was real estate, buying and selling properties, coming up with that investment where you're getting a steady income every single month. And to me, that's really important because, down the road, if I do want to try and retire early, maybe, I will have that steady income flowing through. Maybe I have rental properties. Maybe I have more than one. Maybe I have 5, 10, 15, whatever. But the main thing is you'll have that income that keeps on coming in. And that's something that you can bank on, And also getting into investments, cryptocurrency. I became successful off cryptocurrency myself, so I can attest to that. But definitely think about investing now. There's a lot of my friends, or maybe used to be friends, people I went to school with, and a lot of them I see that they're partying all the time. They're just living their life, and that's fun and all, but I don't do that. I don't go out, I don't party, I don't blow my money. I don't blow my money because I rather work hard now, party later, than party now and work until I'm dead, right? So getting into investing and saving your money and really having that mindset that you want to be successful is something that you really need to have. If you don't have a passion for it, it'll never happen. If you don't wake up and say, hey, today's going to be the day, or you know what, I'm going to dedicate the next 10 years to this because I want to make this happen. The day I turned 18, I made a goal to myself that I want to have a net worth of $1 million by the time I'm 30. And I'm going to do whatever it takes to make that happen. It's on me now. It's not on my mom. It's not on anybody. It's on me. If I can't get that motivation to actually make it happen, it'll never happen. So we talked about getting into investing, saving your money, getting into real estate. I think those are really important ideas. Just something to think about. Maybe getting into starting a YouTube channel. Maybe you'll make some steady income off that if you get high high enough up there, with the amount of subscribers and watch time and get affiliated. I think that would be a really great idea, and start, being able to put those ads on your videos and bring in that steady income. I think the last thing is to work hard now. You really have to work hard and save your money, because otherwise it'll never happen. If it was between working a part-time job or working a full-time job, full-time all the way, because I will be bringing in enough money that I can use some of that to invest, put a little bit here, there. You want to be able to diversify your portfolio, whether it's with investments, real estate, whatever, you get the idea. I'm basically going to leave it off with that because it's really important, and I believe all of us should be able to retire by the time we're 30. I think it's a really good goal to have, but you have to be willing to push yourself and to make that happen. So this wine has been really good. Don't forget to check it out. Get some. And if you have any questions, guys, feel free to comment on my video. Private message me if you can. And then we can definitely get talking. Maybe I can even help some of you out. I definitely do read the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button, because that's important. And thanks, guys, for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye.